Are you wondering if we have WhatsApp on the Huawei Watch Fit 5 and 5 Pro? And can we maybe reply to WhatsApp texts, or can we even like pick up WhatsApp calls? So first, when it comes to a dedicated WhatsApp app, then we do not have like a WhatsApp app on it. However, we can still like reply to WhatsApp notifications and also receive calls, and it actually was fairly good. But however, it's a bit different if you connect to iPhone and also if you connect to Android phone. So currently I have it connected to Android phone. So let me show you, for example, what it looks like when someone sends you a message on WhatsApp. Okay, so you see you have received a notification here, so you can open it up, and if you tap on the notification, so you see you can expand it, and also we can even reply to WhatsApp like messages. So that is if you are connected to Android phone. So you see either we can switch to the keyboard, yep, so I see if I send, yep, also message arrives here. So absolutely awesome. And also, okay, so see, we can also reply using voice as well. So if you tap here, select the voice icon, click this. Hey, what's up, sucker? How are you doing today? Okay, and let's send it. Okay, missed a bit, but yeah, so you see you can also reply using a voice. What's absolutely cool. And also we had like some emoji replies here as well. So you can reply with emoji. And also we have these quick presets as well that we can configure in the phone app, that you can quickly tap and also it will get sent over here. Then what about calls? So let me call myself. So you see phone's ringing, and after, so you see a couple seconds also arrives here. And as you see, we can pick it up and hey. Yeah, so it actually works. Yeah, and once you are finished talking, you can end this. And yeah, so you see, works great. However, if you connect this watch to iPhone, basically then it's more limited. We basically can still receive the notifications in the same way, but we actually can't reply to the notifications, so we do not get the keyboard once connected to iPhone, but all other features work. So again, we simply can't reply to messages, neither with the emojis, like quick replies, or the keyboard. So it simply doesn't work with iPhone. But with Android, yeah, it works flawlessly. Okay, like